What it do? What it do? YouTube. What's up, man? It's your boy, Uncut Consciousness. Okay, so I did a video previously, but I had deleted it and took it down. But just recently, I ran into the video by your boy Seven. Now, to be real, that video actually inspired or motivated me to do this video. Now, when I was watching Seven video, I seen it was like 50-something minutes long, but I watched it simply because the title, you know, I think he had like Nature Boy, Olmec, or whatever in the title, so I clicked on it. I seen it was like 50 minutes long, so I said, there's no way I'm finna watch this whole video. So I started watching it. As I began to watch it, I really resonated with Cuz. I'm like, damn. I really did resonate with Cuz. Like, damn, the way he talked, the lingo he used, I can understand him. You know, like, damn. So, make a long story short, I left a comment on it and kind of find out we live literally like 10 minutes away apart. Like, he's in one city, Delray. I'm in one city by the name of Boynton. Boynton Beach, Florida. He's in Delray Beach, Florida. So I'm like, damn, no wonder. And he was like, oh, the Sean, and oh, he fucked with him and all this. I'm like, oh yeah, I understand that shit. You ain't gotta get into depth. Well, sometimes you do gotta get into depth with the people who not familiar with the terminology. But anyway, when he said that he kind of like, you know, he like I say Devine, I stated that in my previous video, the one I deleted. I already said that I fuck with I say Devine. I like Blaqink, Mind Over Matter, TV. But the first time when I read his title, I said Mom TV. Mom TV. Oh, Mind Over Matter TV, like M-O-M. I was like, Mom TV. I know I'm not the only one who did that shit, but I fought with Conscious Speculation. I fought with him heavy. Now I fought with Seven. Yeah, I subscribe to Seven. And, you know, I don't really subscribe to a lot of people. But a lot of Seven's views, I actually felt literally the same way. Like, oh, yeah, I felt the same way. When he was speaking about Nature Boy, and changing his name to Hootie, and how he took old lady and all that shit, and how he can't have no real niggas around him. But let me just start it off like this. A lot of people just started following Nature Boy right around the immigration incident or the airport incident. I've been following Nature Boy. Let me see. I started following Nature Boy just right when he left the United States. I wasn't following him when he was in the United States. I began to follow him when he first arrived to Costa Rica. When he first arrived to Costa Rica, or at the ending of Honduras. So I was watching Nature Boy when Phoenix was there, when Yaya was there. So I was watching him since then. So I'm one of those fathers. Yeah, how the situation played out, you know, I was one of those guys, you know. I woke up previously, maybe like in 2002, but I went back asleep for another 10, 12 years. And Nature Boy actually like helped me wake up. And I was one of the people that believed in what he had going on. I still do believe in what he got going on. Let me say that. But